Craving the iconic Cheddar Bay Biscuits from Red Lobster? What if I told you these buttery, cheesy bites of perfection are even better homemade and they're ridiculously easy to make? This video will show you how. First, let's start with the dry ingredients. In a bowl, put 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and as much garlic powder as you can stand. Now mix everything together. Melt the butter, then pour the milk into the butter, then place both into the bowl with dry ingredients. Mix everything together until the dough forms, but not too much. Next, add cheddar cheese and mix it in. Place the dough in a pan and bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, or until golden brown on the top. Once they're done, immediately brush them with some melted butter, garlic powder, and Italian seasoning for an amazing finish. These biscuits are now ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. Remember to like the video and follow our channel for more.